Oh, well, this is a new development. In the last hour, Twitter's new owner and CEO, Elon Musk, is suggesting not $20 a month to get you the blue check, meaning you're a verified Twitter user, but maybe $8? A little bit of negotiation going on. Look at this interaction between famed horror fiction writer Stephen King and Musk. King tweeted yesterday, quote, $20 a month to keep my blue check, F that. They should pay me. If that gets instituted, I'm gone like Enron. So in response, yes, just within the last hour, Musk tweeted, we need to pay the bill somehow. Twitter cannot rely entirely on advertisers. How about $8? Well, Musk did reveal this weekend he was toying with charging users the $20 a month for a verified blue check mark. Longtime internet investor Jason Calacanis put out a poll asking Twitter users if they'd pay $5, $10, or $15 a month to get the blue check mark on their profile. More than 1 million responses came in. 81.7% said sorry, they would not pay anything for it. Elon replied, quote, interesting. But the Bluebird's former CFO, Anthony Noto, kind of jumped into the fray, tweeting, quote, none of these answers are high enough. People will pay $49 a month, and if they won't, they should not have been verified to begin with. Hey, listen, no wonder Noto's feeling bold about money. The stock of the fintech he now runs is having a very strong session with about 40 minutes left to trade. SoFi shares are moving higher. SoFi just reported a third quarter revenue beat and a narrower than expected profit loss. Revenue jumped 51% year over year thanks to the strength in its banking charter, where, listen to this, deposits ballooned 86%. So Anthony's joining us right now live to talk about what SoFi's doing to attract new subscribers who are really paying for SoFi services. And Anthony, you guys also upped your full year adjusted EBITDA forecast. What is working best that you are able to do that?
I would say it's the diversification of our businesses that's coming to light and driving our sixth consecutive quarter of record revenue and record EBITDA this quarter. Specifically, we're a one-stop shop for your financial services needs all on your phone. So we help you borrow better, save better, spend better, protect, and invest better. And that gives us an opportunity to leverage different businesses in different economic environments to drive growth. So in the checking and savings account, we're offering 2.5% interest on checking. We just announced we're going to 3% on savings later this week, and that's helping us grow our member base there. And as the deposits grow through direct deposit, we then can lend more money to our members in unsecured personal loans or home loans and also credit cards. And because we're building trust and reliability with our members in those products, they're cross-buying into products like our insurance offering, in addition to our invest product, which also offers a very unique selection across single stocks, fractional shares, cryptocurrency, ETFs, and award-winning robo accounts. So the whole strategy is coming to bear, and that's what's driving the consecutive quarters of record revenue.
Can I really dig down into what you just said, that your savings accounts are paying 3% interest, checking 2.5%? I don't know a lot of banks that are doing that. That's got to have brought quite the influx of new subscribers. More importantly, how are you able to do that?
Yeah, we have a structural advantage. One, we have a technology platform that is lower cost. We've built our technology to allow us to better serve members more efficiently. The benefit that we have from the business mix is that we do lend quite significantly to our members. And many banks do not lend. In fact, many of them actually buy our loans because they have deposits they can't deploy. So they buy SoFi's loans to try to get a return on those deposits. And because we have that lending business, we can offer a consumer 2.5% on checking. We make those deposits available through loans at a much, much higher interest rate than that for an unsecured personal loan or a refinanced student loan or a home loan. And we make the difference between what we give the consumer in deposits and what we lend to consumers in the lending products. And that's a real structural advantage in that regard. Not to mention we're vertically integrated and use Galileo and Technisys to power some of our other businesses, which gives us a low-cost advantage in addition to being able to innovate at a faster rate.
Well, the stock right now up about 6%. It's a really strong day, and the analysts love it. Anthony, I'd be remiss if I didn't ask you about what you put out there on Twitter. You had suggested people would pay $49 for blue check verification. Any response from Elon about that? I mean, you were the chief financial officer over there. That seems like a lot.
Yeah, I was just trying to be provocative. I'm a huge fan of Twitter and the value it creates globally and the potential it could deliver for shareholders and for users. I think it's the best content in the world. They pay virtually nothing for that content. I think it's really just a product challenge of creating a easy-to-use application, a killer app that would attract the mass market. It's hard to unlock that value that's there.
He's not listening to you. I'm sorry I'm laughing, Anthony, but he just tweeted a picture of himself in his Halloween costume saying, all for $8. So he's going in the reverse direction, unless he's just kidding around, which is very possible with Elon Musk.
I think he's an incredibly successful entrepreneur, and he will find a way to unlock the value. I think the governance of having one shareholder that can be decisive, that can iterate at rapid rate, that can do the scientific method, the way the iteration took place in the light bulb, I think he'll be able to really bring a lot of testing and iterating. And so whatever you see today, I'm confident will not be the case over the next several months and years as they try to unlock that value. It's not an easy problem to solve, but it is solvable with the right type of iteration and the right unified leadership to execute.
He may woo you away. Be careful. Careful. They have an open position.
I can promise you I want to be the CEO of one company, that's SoFi. I couldn't be more passionate about what we're doing.
Well, it's going well. Certainly this quarter. We'll wait to see when you're profitable. Thank you so much for joining us, Anthony Noto.